Chalkboard Tales, where magic is real and dreams reach the sky. 200 plus subscribers. You made it happen. Pure belief. Love you. We're just getting started, and we can't wait to share even more fantastical stories with you. Every like, comment, and share fuels our creativity, and we're so grateful for your support. Let's continue to build this magical world together. Hey viewers, Amir here, and welcome to the 4th episode of Chalkboard Tales. Today we're exploring something truly magical, the mirror reflection. This story is all about how we see ourselves and how that can change everything. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on future adventures. Are you ready? Let's explore the magic within. In a quiet, dark room, someone looks in a mirror. But what they see isn't good. It's like a bad picture of themselves, showing all the things they don't like. She sees everything she doesn't like. Her nose looks wrong, her skin looks bad, her eyes look tired. She feels like she's not good enough. Negative thoughts fill her head like a storm, clouds obscuring any ray of self-compassion. Whispers of not good enough echo, growing louder, more insistent. It's a moment frozen, a reflection revealing deep, unrelenting criticism. But then, a shift, a decision to challenge this internal dialogue. The eyes soften, the heart opens. What if this reflection doesn't tell the full story? With purpose, the focus changes to what lies beneath. Determination was carved into her eyes, the creativity expressed through a gentle smile, the kindness displayed in the gentle hands. These aren't mere traits, they are the essence of a soul full of potential and love. As the focus sharpens on these positive qualities, a transformation begins. The distorted reflection gradually transforms, unveiling a vibrant, confident image. The feeling of negativity fades, replaced with affirmations of strength, resilience, and beauty. Confidence colors the cheeks, assurance brightens the eyes, and self-love lights up the soul. The earlier low voices of insufficiency are displaced by a chant of, "You are enough." It's a powerful transformation, one born from the conscious choice to embrace the positive, to be kind to oneself. Through this renewed lens, the true power of self-perception is unveiled. It shapes reality, molds identity, and influences the path to a happier, more fulfilling existence. The character steps away, no longer shackled by doubt, but liberated by a newfound self-worth. The mirror stands as a testament, not of flaws, but of the enduring strength found in prioritizing one's strengths. So what's the big idea? Your view of you changes your life. Focus on what's right, and you'll feel stronger. That's how it works. See your strengths. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you like it.